Hi, this is Lucas Martin, and this is my first forecast reflection. I decided to look at week 2, and we were talking about job openings in the millions, and then the net score for the Purdue versus Vanderbilt game. My score came out to be 1.397 for my guesses at 7 million, and then 21 for the difference in the score. First, we're going to talk about the job openings. So we were told to go to this site and look specifically at the job openings here. So if you read into it, it says there was little change at 7.1 million, and the job openings rate was 4.4%. The actual answer came out to be 7.217 right here, and my guess was low 7 million. So the way I came up with this was I looked at these numbers here, and 7.1 million is a big number. 4.4% is a very small percentage for a number this big. So looking at these these numbers right here at negative 49,000, negative 47,000, if you subtract these numbers from 7.1 million, you're still going to be at 7.1 million. 7.1 million is still a pretty huge number. So when I came up with my guess at low 7 millions, that's what I came up with. I used these numbers to determine exactly how little this would change it. Now talking about the Purdue versus Vanderbilt game, the final score was 24-42, meaning the net score between the two was 18. My guess at 21 came from previous football games and exactly what the score differences between the two were, and how often the scores kind of revolved around my answer 21. So when I was looking at games, and I could have looked at websites like this where it has preview and odds and stuff, but I really just used my prior knowledge of football games and Purdue's football games specifically of determining my score of 21. So yeah, my overall score of 1.397 I think is okay. I think that was a pretty good guess for both of these. And these are all the tools. I kind of was just looking at the shifts between all these numbers, seeing exactly where it might land, and taking my prior knowledge from the stuff we've learned in class and applying it to my forecasting tournament guesses. So yeah, this is my forecast reflection for our first reflection.